The first chemical match was made in 1827 by John Walker. In this lab, Walker used a piece of wood to stir a mixture of antimony sulfate, potassium chloride, gum, and starch while mixing a container of chemicals. After removing the wood from the chemical vessel to remove the material adhering to the wood, he pulled it in on the table and was surprised to find that the wood caught fire. Thus, Walker first found friction or scratch matches. These matches were thin sticks whose heads were first sulfurized, then impregnated with potassium chloride, castor oil, and oxygen sulfur, and finally immersed in sulfuric acid solution. However, the Germans considered the invention to be the pride of the Commerger, and the Australians and Hungarians attributed it into the Etienne, Romer, and Purcell.